Thank you very much, Your Excellencies. I would like now to give the floor to the Prime Minister of Slovenia, please.
Thank you, dear Magdalena, dear Mateusz, dear Denis, dear colleagues, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. I would also like to join all of you and stress once again the importance and the timely organization of this pledging conference. As the Russian illegal and unprovoked aggression against Ukraine protracts in time, we are witnessing one of the worst humanitarian disasters. At the same time, we are filled with admiration for the Ukrainians who are showing immense courage, defending their homeland, and at the same time fighting for the universal values of freedom and democracy. President Zelensky, Prime Minister Šmyhal, Ukrainian government and the Ukrainian people are a true inspiration for us all. When we visited you in the middle of March, together with Mateusz and Peter, we saw that Ukraine will never be defeated, and the main question when this war will come to an end mostly lie in your courage and in our help. This is a combination which will prevail. And I'm also proud that the European Union has showed a high level of unity in responding to the Russian aggression, as well as effectiveness in providing assistance. We have stood up in this war, we will overcome it, and we will prevail. And we look forward to the day in the near future when we can welcome Ukraine as a full member of the European Union. Slovenia commends especially Poland and all other neighboring countries of Ukraine for their generous hospitality and welcoming millions of Ukrainian refugees. More than 60,000 Ukrainian refugees came to Slovenia too, and a big part of it found shelter in Slovenia. Just a few days ago, a group of orphans were relocated to our country to escape from the dangers of war. We have responded in line with our moral obligation, aside of material, technical and military donations. We have donated several billions euros to different humanitarian allocations for Ukraine, and we are increasing it today for another million through the UNICEF fund and additional in-kind assistance for Ukrainian people. We are also preparing a special law on Ukraine to pass through Slovenian Parliament to shorten the procedures to be able to deliver help on time. So we stand in solidarity with Ukraine. Slava Ukraine.